I have shared with you here a terrible thing. I hate sharing it. A Muslim is the brother of a Muslim. I went to a church to spend the night there. They didn't allow me. I left that place and walked to a mosque. The only thing I said is Assalamu alaikum. Is when we'll be in power. A Christianity that is lame, a Christianity that is weak. You think, sir, when we were on the other side, let me tell you first of all the physical side before we do the spiritual side. When we were on the other side, there is a statement. It's simple. You go anywhere, they tell you Al-Muslim, Akul Muslim. Anywhere you go to, they will tell you a Muslim is the brother of a Muslim. I have shared with you here a terrible thing. I hate sharing it. I was sent by the Archbishop somewhere and I got stranded on the way. I went to a church to go and tell them that they should, I want to spend the night there. I heard the pastor and the wife arguing inside. I told them, I said, look, I will not sleep in your house. I want to sleep in the church. Sir, they didn't allow me. I left that place and walked to a mosque. The only thing I said is Assalamu alaikum. And he looked at me, he said, Malam. He said, Lafiya. I said, Nima tafine. He said, Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah. He said, I should sit. Bismillah. So he told me he was eating his garagaro. He said, Malam, Bismillah, sir, we finished. He said, Malam, he said, Masalachin na muke kwana. In case say ko kwanta, sir, I slept in the mosque. In the morning, before the early morning prayers, before he knows that it is not, I only say Salamu Alaikum, I quickly step out. Sir, is it with that kind of Christianity we will, are you thinking we can dismantle that force? Our self-centered, self-seeking, self-glorifying Christianity. A Christianity that only thinks about himself.